does bundle mean at the Stamps of Life? Well, let me tell you, it means you save even more. Who doesn't want to save money, right? Well, we have a bundle at the first of the month that's going to include items that match our club. Check this out. We have the Fold It box, which is so fun because it literally is a flower pot. We have some cute little stems. We have a 4-pack of stencils. We have words that are going to match our posies to stamp. We have these cute solids, and we have patterns. Now, here's the deal. Let me tell you a little secret here. You need to go to our website ASAP, because for the first 24 hours or until sold out, not only is the bundle on the website for club members only, you have to be in our subscription kit to get this deal, okay? But if you are, log into our website, go to our website, get it now before it's gone. Once it's gone, poof, it's gone. Go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. Get that bundle before it's gone. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.